What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's a beautiful day in Melbourne. It's time to get the Supra out, blow the cobwebs out, have a bit of fun. So let's just jump in and enjoy some 2J goodness. Trying to drive in those rocks to flick them up at me. All right, boys, that's us done. Just a bit of fun, get the car out, you know, have a bit of spirited driving while we can, while the weather's good, because tomorrow it's probably gonna go rubbish again, and I did need to take this beauty for a drive. I've missed driving this a lot. Every time, to be honest, when I'm not driving it, whenever I'm driving one of my other cars, I'm like, man, I wish I was in a Supra. But I do love my other cars, but it's just a soft spot in my heart for the Supra. All right, guys, if you like, subscribe if you want to see more of this, more of the Crown, more of the E46, more of the, you got, you know, all the holiday coming up. We got a 3-day bucks do in Ibiza. Surely you guys want to see that. Nah, but look, it's going to be a bit of Europe, bit of America, theme parks, all that sort of stuff. So if you want to join along for that, subscribe for that as well. But apart from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.